Have you ever craved a sweet snack but worried about spiking your blood sugar levels? You may think it's an impossible task, but you might want to consider eating low-sugar fruits. These fruits are important for managing chronic diseases because they provide vitamins and minerals without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Today, we're counting down the 10 best low-sugar fruits that protect against chronic disease. From familiar fruit favorites to some surprising choices, each fruit on our list has a lot to offer. Stay tuned to find out which fruit tops our list. It's a creamy delight that's technically a fruit, but often mistaken for a vegetable. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is grapefruit, a zesty fruit that packs a powerful health punch. Grapefruit has only 10 grams of sugar per half serving, which is a great choice for those watching their sugar intake. It is also packed with vitamin C, which helps cells repair damaged tissues, making your skin look healthy and radiant. What makes grapefruit even better is its ability to help lower blood pressure and manage diabetes. Studies have shown that eating grapefruit regularly can improve insulin sensitivity, so it is easier for your pancreas to decrease high sugar levels. You can enjoy grapefruit in many ways. Try adding it to your morning oatmeal for a tangy twist. You can even toss grapefruit wedges into your roasted chicken for a refreshing citrus flavor. Next on our list, at number 9, we have blackberries. These little dark gems contain 7 grams of sugar per cup, but they're bursting with flavor and health benefits. Blackberries are excellent for blood sugar control. Research has found that the antioxidants in blackberries can help your body use insulin more efficiently, which is great news for anyone at risk of diabetes. Not only do they help with blood sugar, but blackberries are also rich in fiber, which is important for your digestive health. They also contain anthocyanins, which can lower inflammation and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Enjoy them as a refreshing snack on their own, or toss them into salads for a burst of natural sweetness and vibrant color. Coming in at number 8, let's talk about a summer favorite, strawberries. Like blackberries, strawberries have only 7 grams of sugar per cup, but don't let their sweetness fool you. These vibrant red berries are powerful allies for heart health. Studies have shown that eating strawberries can help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels, 2 key factors in preventing heart disease. Strawberries also contain manganese, which plays a role in bone development and maintaining a healthy metabolism. You can easily add strawberries to your diet by mixing them into smoothies, topping your cereal or toast, or simply enjoying them as a snack. Number 7 on our list is a fruit that might surprise you. It's the fuzzy little kiwi. With only 6 grams of sugar per medium fruit, kiwis are a low-sugar powerhouse. Like grapefruits, kiwis also contain vitamin C and fiber, which helps keep your immune system strong and your digestive system healthy. Research has shown that eating kiwis can help manage symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. If you're dealing with constipation, adding kiwi to your diet might be a natural remedy. Moreover, this fruit helps slow down the absorption of sugar from other fruits, making it a great choice when you're enjoying a mix of different fruits. For an easy, refreshing snack, slice up a kiwi or toss it into a fruit salad. You can even use kiwi as a topping on your yogurt or blend it into smoothies. At number 6, we have guava, a tropical treat that's often overshadowed by more common fruits. Guava has only 5 grams of sugar per small fruit. Here's a surprising fact. Guava contains more vitamin C than oranges. This high vitamin C content can help boost your immune system and even reduce the duration of cold symptoms. Additionally, vitamin C in guava enhances the absorption of iron from other fruits, which is beneficial for individuals with low iron levels or anemia. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating guava led to significant reductions in blood pressure and total cholesterol. This makes guava a great ally in the fight against heart disease. You can enjoy guava in a variety of ways, fresh off the tree, or add it into salsas to elevate your meals with its unique, juicy taste. Halfway through our list at number 5 are raspberries. These little red gems contain 5 grams of sugar per cup, like the guava fruit. However, they offer a different set of health benefits. Raspberries are excellent for blood sugar control by lowering post-meal blood sugar levels. This makes eating high-carb meals enjoyable for diabetics since they don't have to worry about high sugar levels after each meal. A study in the journal Obesity found that people who ate raspberries had lower blood sugar spikes compared to those who didn't eat the berries. Additionally, the fiber in raspberries slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to keep your blood sugar levels steady. Try adding a handful of raspberries to your morning cereal or yogurt for a delicious and healthy start to your day. Next on our list at number 4 is the often overlooked apricot. A medium apricot has only 3 grams of sugar and contains a soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin is a substance that can slow down the absorption of sugar in your blood, which is important if you have high blood sugar levels. Apricots are also rich in beta-carotene, a substance your body uses to produce vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy eyes, a strong immune system, and for managing diabetes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet high in beta-carotene was associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, apricots are great for hydration thanks to their high water content. This makes them a perfect snack for hot summer days or after a workout. Apricots are delicious eaten fresh, but they also work well in savory dishes. Try adding sliced apricots to a chicken salad or grilling them as a side dish for your next barbecue. Coming in at number 3 are tomatoes. You might be surprised to learn that tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables. But that's not the only surprising thing about them. Like apricots, tomatoes are incredibly low in sugar, with just 3 grams per medium-sized fruit. But the real reason why tomatoes are incredibly healthy is because of their high lycopene content. This powerful antioxidant gives tomatoes their bright red color and offers some impressive health benefits. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who ate more tomato-based foods had a lower risk of prostate cancer. Additionally, tomatoes are great for heart health. The lycopene in tomatoes can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Tomatoes can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is great for weight management. So how can you add more tomatoes to your diet? Try slicing fresh tomatoes and include them in your sandwiches or omelets. You can also cook tomatoes into pasta sauces or soups. Cooking actually increases the amount of lycopene your body can absorb, so consider heating them up. Nearing the top of our list, at number 2, we have lemons. These sour citrus fruits are incredibly low in sugar, with just 2 grams per medium-sized fruit. Lemons are rich in compounds called flavonoids. These powerful plant chemicals can help regulate how your body uses sugar and fat. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that lemon flavonoids helped prevent high blood sugar in rats fed a high-fat diet. But that's not all. Lemons are also great for your immune system. They're packed with vitamin C, which can boost your body's defenses. Additionally, the citric acid in lemons can help your body absorb calcium more effectively, which is important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Now, you might be wondering how to add more lemons to your diet without puckering up at every meal. One easy way is to squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water. This not only adds flavor, but also helps you stay hydrated. You can also use lemon juice as a marinade for fish or chicken, or add it to salad dressings for a tangy kick. Topping our list at number 1 is avocado. Avocados are incredibly low in sugar since they contain less than 1 gram of sugar. That's even less than lemons. One of the standout features of avocados is their healthy fat content. These fats, known as monounsaturated fats, are great for your heart. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating an avocado a day as part of a healthy diet can help lower cholesterol levels. This is important because high cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease, one of the most common chronic diseases. They're also great for weight management. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that people who ate half an avocado with lunch reported feeling 40% less hungry 3 hours after eating compared to those who didn't eat avocado. But the benefits of avocados don't stop there. Avocados are also rich in potassium. They contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium is important for managing blood pressure, another key factor in heart health. So how can you add more avocados to your diet? One simple way is to spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast for breakfast. This gives you a great mix of healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates to start your day. You can also add sliced avocado to salads or sandwiches for a creamy texture without needing high-calorie dressings or mayonnaise. For a quick and easy snack, try making guacamole. Mash up an avocado with some lime juice, diced tomatoes, and a pinch of salt. This makes a great dip for raw vegetables like carrot sticks or cucumber slices. And there you have it, the 10 best low-sugar fruits that protect against chronic disease. We hope you found this video both helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits will you be adding to your shopping list this week? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, each of these fruits offers unique advantages, from their immune-boosting power to their heart-healthy benefits. When it comes to nutrition, variety is key, so try to incorporate a mix of the low-sugar fruits discussed in this video. And if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating more informative content for you. Also, don't forget to check out our merchandise for some great finds. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and take care.